Okay, I've made some changes to the code. We've got these two new things, obviously. I've moved everything into functions. So I'll just run through the functions. I probably won't go as in detailed into how shit works. Okay, so the function move tracks. I should probably start from the bottom. Yeah, for whatever reason, I've got the start at the bottom. Start global, all of these variables because we need to use them up here. Even though we global them again because it thinks it's a different variable for some stupid fucking reason. I don't know. I really don't know, but you have to do it, so I'm doing it. So we've got our if statements. Yeah, what this does is, if it's music.youtube, it'll turn it into just YouTube so that we don't have to make a separate extract music YouTube. We have these if statements in a try because sometimes the index will be out of range. Sometimes this will return only 2 strings in the list. So I've just got accept return because I think if it's calling that error, then we don't need it anyway. So accept will be fine. So yeah, that's the start. What it does, it's checking what the link is, and if the link's a SoundCloud, YouTube, or Bandcamp link, it'll go to those. So the Bandcamp link loads the session, loads the HTML. Find all class equals track title. See, I've changed this a little bit. I think it was just find all A last time, and it was a lot of fucking around. But yeah, class equals track title is a little bit better, bit of an improvement. Download link equals master, which is the URL. Obviously, yeah, whatever, master. It was probably a way to do that beautiful too, but I didn't really care. Plus a link, which is all of these, but each string for all of these. Dot parent. Dot get. Don't remember why it's a parent. Why we needed the parent. Oh yeah, I do now. Yeah, it's hard to explain. I think this is located in some, like an A tag, and this was like outside of it or something. Something like that, I don't remember. No, I do remember, but I don't remember the names of the tags. Then we just append the result. Holy fuck, I've changed a fucking lot of this. So yeah, there's a lot of appending onto lists, which you use later on. So the album and the artist, this is just getting who it is and what the album's called. Print extracted tracks, downloading now. So download track extracted, brings you up to the main one. For tracks and track list, do I need to do that? Let me have a think. Can I do a num check? Yeah, it's only in there, so I don't need it here. Okay. Just doing a bit of code editing. I don't really need that there. Well, it's not even called global up here anyway, so obviously I didn't need it. I only need it here, obviously. So for tracks and track lists, what this num is anyway, it's basically just a counter so that we can call the track title at the place. Maybe I could have just used that. Why didn't I just use Z? I think I had a reason. I don't remember it now though. Ah, fuck. Yeah, I don't remember why I didn't use Z. That's stupid. That is really stupid. We'll see if this fucks the code up. I thought Z was a fucking... Yeah, whatever. Who cares? Where was I again? Yeah, so for tracks and track list being the extracted variable, which is being a list or an array of every single track that needs downloading. Right. So for single track, we driver.get URL plus tracks. Oh, it's called tracks, not track. Tracks. So it opens it in Chrome. Oh, it's only 8 o'clock and I'm fucking tired. Opens it in Chrome. It's waiting till the presence of elements. So it's waiting till this XPath, which is the download button, can be clicked. It'll click it when that's located. When this is true, it'll click it. Print downloading track title array Z instead of num. I don't know why the fuck I use num. That is stupid. Except timeout exception, which is that this sort of specific only. Driver.refresh if Z equals 4. Something went wrong downloading. Oh, I'll need to change that. If this is fine, if this comes up fine, then that'll be fine. If it's not, then I'll have to change that back. I've never actually had this error before. Oh yes, wait, yes I have. I've seen this, but I've never had it timed out completely for this before. Except, yeah. So to improve this further, I could have except element not found, whatever it is, and call this, and then I could have another except which does something else. Yeah, if I wanted to, I might actually need to do that because this code is fucking broken. It doesn't work in every case, and it's annoying. If not SC flag, we'll get to that in a second. Once the if involved, once the files are downloaded, would you like to move them to a new folder? Yes or no? If that equals yes, move tracks. Okay, move tracks. Q3 equals sorted. Oh god. Yeah, I remember this code. Yeah, sorted initial path, which we defined here. C slash user slash downloads. Plus slash because we need to do double slashes because the first slash it like ignores it's stupid, but yeah, it's like a symbol to say that this is a string backslash, not a code backslash. Plus F for F in os.list directory. You know, this is probably like the one line of the code I don't actually know how it works. What I do know is F for F in... I don't know what the fuck that does. F for F in. Yeah, no. No fucking idea, but os.list directory for path. Yeah, it'll list every thingamabob, every item, folder and what are they called? Items? I don't know. The key equals os.path.getCtime. I don't know what the key is. I think it's a special thing with the sorted. I know the code I stole from was a max, but sorted was a little bit better. Sorted was what I wanted. Key equals, I never really figured that out. What is path? Is path defined? Oh no, it's just an OS thing. Rightio. So yeah, so Q3 is a list of all these. Wait, hold on. No. Q3 is a list of all files in my downloads folder sorted by date. That's what it is. So Q4 equals Q3, and we've got the square brackets, so we're calling an array. So calling a negative number, the number being the length of track title array. So we want to get rid of this. No, we only want to see this at the start. Something like that. Basically, the length of the track title array is the number of tracks that we want to move, the number of tracks that we downloaded. So if we call this, then the list that Q4 is the list of tracks that we downloaded, which is what we want. So new path equals initial path plus // plus artists plus album. Right. So that's why we needed to global these wherever they went. Global. That's why we needed global because they're used up here. And ignore the last character for whatever reason. I don't remember why. Oh no, because it's, I think somewhere along the line there's a space at the end. I don't know why. Move to equals new path blank, indicating that we can use, indicating that it does indeed have two arguments. So it's not going to run out when we call this. If a move to 1 equals move.split. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. If not os.path exists new path. So basically, if this is false, then we are going to make it. And then for every individual track in Q4, we'll put move.split for here. So basically move.split for is going to return the name of the mp3 file. Just the name of it, nothing before it. And so if not exists, os.rename move join move. Yeah. So because we split, huh? Oh right, yeah, no. Because move2 is an array, we use this to join it. It's like the join is the opposite of split. Print moving file to dot format move join move2. Yeah, cool. So that's pretty much it. SoundCloud is the same. I probably only need to really run this code. Oh, maybe. What even is master again? I forgot. Ah, yeah, no, I do need that there because in case I want to run, I've designed this so that I can run this code again and again without opening and closing it. So that's why some of these variables are set like again, like blank again. But I know maybe it's not super necessary. Oh, master's not down here. Whatever. It's not even global either. Right. Right, it's in SoundCloud. Extract table equals driver.find element by x plus x path. Fuck, this one was a little bit more complicated. Class equals bunch of bullshit, but it'll work. Actually, I think I only tested this with one website. Oh, I hope the others are it's probably standardized. For tracks in this, the elements returns a list, so tracks return a string for each list. We're appending the link to extracted, and we're appending the title of it to the track title. Then SC flag is true. What does that do? We saw it before. Here. So basically, I've designed this not to run when using SoundCloud on purpose because getting the right album and artist would be a lot harder on SoundCloud than it is for Bandcamp and YouTube. Extract SoundCloud, extract YouTube, same sort of fucking thing. Right, so I didn't do anything with this, with albums and artists in here because we don't need to, because it's not even going through that. Hopefully you've figured all this out by now. Album artist, so album equals driver.title, album equals album. Why didn't I? Hold on. That's not that complicated. I could have done this in one line. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't do that. I'll need to comment that one out too. As for this, I mean, I suppose it's the same thing. I can just try it. Ah, wait. Might have to do it like this. Because it returns an object sometimes, so. We'll comment that one out. Right, I'll have a play with that later, but what is this comment doing here? Fuck off. Don't remember doing that. So yeah, same sort of thing. Goes to extracted, gets downloaded, and then move tracks. Done. Alright. Alright, I didn't talk about one thing. So we've changed this. So download equals paperclip.paste. Because when you run this, Wait, what? You can't paste inside there, so it doesn't like it. Like you can't just control V, you can't right click paste either. So I just designed it so that it would just automatically paste. So yeah. Okay, let's run this bad boy. Where are you? Download this one. Did it come up with some error? I don't know why that other one wasn't working. Probably because I had it opened. Don't know. What was that thing we changed? Oh shit. There was something you changed that might have been important. What was it again? Don't remember. Rightio. Oh lol. Whoops. Yeah, I pressed Y before they all finished downloading, which is stupid. Definitely should have done that. Rightio. Doesn't even matter. I mean, I'll find it. I'll figure it out. Oh, was it this? Oh, I'm retarded. I am so fucking stupid. I am seriously stupid. Because this is just this is just a retry. This is just yeah. This is the loop. This is not the loop. This is just bullshit loop that I had to do. Just giving myself 5 tries for this, basically. Lol. That's fucking dumb. We'll check the downloads folder. What happened? Stanza. Right, I mean, something's fucked up somewhere along the line. But yeah, anyway, I'll fucking fix it. Probably in something that we did before. Yeah, probably something to do with here. No idea. Wait, no, it wasn't something to do with here, sorry, because it's from Bandcamp. Alright, we'll work it. Thanks for watching.